Hi everyone, how are you doing? Here's a song from my brand new album Standing in the Middle, which is coming out in February 26th. And it's a song about having a dream, backing yourself for that dream, and also, more importantly, surrounding yourself by people who also believe in you. And for me personally, I'm extremely lucky to have that in my life. So this is a song called Taking a Chance. Hope you enjoy.
I'm taking a chance, no one's breaking my fall, and all that I have is getting thrown at the wall. No, I'm not slowing down, now it's time to begin, time to begin. If I'm not going down, then I'm not giving in at all, at all. There's no one breaking my fall, fall, fall. There's no one breaking my fall.